In this video, I'm going to just talk you through the platform that I use, which is MetaTrader. MetaTrader 4, they also do MetaTrader 5, but MetaTrader 4 is the most popular trading platform and it's very easy to use. So when you download it, I would download a demo account and have a good play around with it and a good practice so you become really familiar and comfortable with the platform. So how you download it, if you just go to do a search for MetaTrader 4 online, you will find that there's a lot of brokers that will allow you to use their version of MetaTrader 4. They do ask you in return for your email address and your phone number, and you may well get a call from them asking to open a live account. My suggestion is, if you do open a live account, open a micro account or a nano account. Open the account that allows you to trade the tiniest amount of money and risk the tiniest amount of money, and do that when you've got the hang of the demo platform. So it's good to trade real money because you need to get familiar with the feeling of what it's like. It's a different psychological animal to trade real money as opposed to just doing a demo platform. But the demo platform will show you how to use. It's your practice platform. You can't break anything, and it's what you need to do before you actually do your real trading.